ultimately, I'm very proud of everybody involved with the team, behind the scenes, the medical staff, the other coaches, everybody that's involved with the Vodacom Bulls, because they kept encouraging one, and they kept faith in one, and the players kept working hard regardless of when we went in that 7-game loss. And and like I said, in that, I think I was asked in that, call it desert period, how do I see it? And I said, I'm a man of faith. I believe in Jesus Christ, and I said that everything will work out for the good. And I can just say thank to him. He's faithful, and now we've got this opportunity. And win or lose, I'll still be grateful of how we stuck together with each other and got where we are.
Obviously, at this stage of the season, and given the talent in all of the teams, all 4 semi-finals, but particularly in your team, this is much like a test team or test match is going to be in the semi-finals.
Yeah, hello, Jan. No, I think you're right. I think the intensity of all 4 teams and the 2 semis will be at close to test match level. If you just look at probably the teams that will play this weekend, and I mean, obviously we can't set the scene better, the fact that we play at a test stadium as well. So that's a nice challenge and a great privilege to play at an iconic stadium. So we're really looking forward to this whole weekend.
Given your team, do you change what you've done all season, or do you stick with the same tactics given the match or the intensity of the match?
I think there will be obviously pressure on the game that normally you always got pressure in any game. But if you play in the season, you know that if you're on tour, any win away from home is a little bit of a bonus, and any points you get out of the game, and you can score 4 tries and get a bonus point, and you can lose within 7 and get a bonus point, and there can still be positives. Tomorrow is nothing about scoring tries. It's nothing about bonus points. You just need to win, even with 1 point. So tactically, I think probably one can consider taking maybe more points instead of, if it depends on the momentum of the game. I'll always trust the leaders on the field for that. We didn't change everything, but there is obviously, we did look back on what do we need to do better, because we lost twice against them, and where can we do things better. So we did look at on those 6 and maybe make small adjustments, and hopefully we can execute that tomorrow.
Last one from me. Given what you just said about hoping you can do things better, is that where experience of this level of rugby is going to come handy?
Yeah, I mean, the team has been there. A lot of the players has been in the semi-finals and knockouts before, and obviously it's nice to have somebody like Handré Pollard who's been there at the highest level as well. And but ultimately, I think, Jan, it's going to be a game of inches and small momentums, and hopefully we can be on the right side. It's again, we mustn't put added pressure on us. It's still a great privilege to play. Like I said, in the semi-final, and we must just still make sure we enjoy this moment and take the challenge head on.
Baie dankie, Jan, ek waardeer.
Dankie.